We turn now to the state's fight against COVID-19 and the high demand for COVID-19 tests, all while supply remains low.
And the national shortage of rapid test kits is impacting state and local health departments as well as retail stores. News 8's Demi Johnson is live in our newsroom. And Demi, you had the chance to check in with several health officials today.
Yeah, and they're all dealing with busy days and administering hundreds of tests. It was just 1 week ago when state health officials called on the federal government to send more rapid tests to Indiana. As of today, there's no word on how soon that will happen.
We supply rapid tests such as Abbott's Bionex Now test to local health departments, our own mobile and IMS site, along with entities that include long-term care facilities, schools, and jails. Each week, those sites go through an average of about 50,000 rapid tests.
But because of a national shortage of those tests, the state is only guaranteed to receive about 11,000 per week. The limited supply forced state health officials to change who is eligible for rapid testing. Right now, only people 18 and under and symptomatic people 50 and older can get same-day test results. In the meantime, people are lining up to get PCR tests at record rates as well. It takes about 48 hours for those results to come back. Health officials across central Indiana say even if you have an appointment, you'll likely have a wait. The Marion County Public Health Department says it has seen significant rise in demand for testing over the past 2 weeks. Marion County health officials say they're testing nearly 300 people a day at their main site. That location on North Rule Street is only offering PCR tests. Health officials say they're able to order whatever test supplies they need, but added they do not get PCR tests from the state. The Fishers Health Department says it has no update. A spokesperson says they are limited to what the state can provide. In Hamilton County, health officials say they haven't had any issues getting PCR tests, but have been restricted on the quantity of rapid tests they can order. If you're lucky enough to find an at-home rapid test in a retail store, your purchase will likely come with a limit. A spokesperson with CVS tells me both in-store and digitally, we've added a limit of 6 test kits per purchase. Due to a recent surge in demand and to retain community-based access to tests in our stores, there may be temporary out of stocks for these products on CVS.com. I reached out to the state health department to see if they had any idea when more tests could be sent here and have not heard back. The week before Christmas, President Joe Biden promised he would send 500 million coronavirus tests to anyone who wanted them for free. So far, there's no update on how soon that program will start. In the newsroom, Demi Johnson, Wish TV, WishTV.com, and follow us on Facebook.